Generating passive income even while you sleep is the key to building wealth, and cash flow is the secret sauce that makes it all happen. How about owning a property like this that's cash flowing hundreds of dollars or even thousands of dollars every single month? Today, I'm excited to talk to you about a topic that's crucial to achieve financial freedom: cash flow. Cash flow comes in spot number 3 on our list of the top 5 reasons investing in real estate is the best strategy for financial freedom. Today, we're going deep into cash flow for real estate investing, how it works, how to choose your best cash flowing property, and stay tuned to the end to find out what mistakes to avoid when purchasing your next real estate property. And please remember that if you like this type of content, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Simply said, cash flow is the money that you earn from an investment property after all the expenses are paid. And the best part is that cash flow isn't tied to a job where you have to trade your time for money, but rather it's a passive investment that pays you 24/7 without actively having to work. You can imagine cash flow as being similar to harvesting delicious apples from a tree. The initial investment for a property, the down payment, is like planting the seed. Keeping the property well maintained is similar to nurturing and caring for the tree. The income from the rent that remains after deducting all the expenses is like the fruit that you get to enjoy every single month. When you take care of it properly, just as a tree can yield more fruit over time, a property can also increase its cash flow and appreciate in value. Positive cash flow is the money that goes into your bank account from the rent and remains there after all the expenses are paid. Stay tuned to the end of this video to see suggestions for other important real estate investing videos on the list. Let's use a real-life example that we can find online and do some simple math to see how much a property may cash flow. For this example, even though there's more expenses to account for, we're only going to be using the expenses that are provided by Zillow so you can learn the basics and filter properties quickly. When looking for a cash flowing property, you can spend countless hours analyzing them one by one. So it's best to quickly look at the estimated income for the rent and deduct the estimated monthly payments to find if it's even worthwhile doing any more research. As you can see here, this is the possible monthly rent that's also known as the income. We scroll and we find the major monthly expenses that include principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. These 4 expenses are commonly known as their abbreviation, PITI. When you do find a property that on the surface seems to have a positive cash flow, you can then go deeper and do the numbers by adding the rest of the expenses. To help you out and make it easier for you to analyze properties, I created an Excel sheet that you can download for free. Check it out in the description below to find the link. Now let's say that you bought a property that generates a monthly rent, also known as income, of $1,000. The expenses include principal, interest, taxes, insurance, property management, vacancy allowance, and more. So the total amount for the expenses are $800. You simply get the $1,000 income and you subtract the $800 expenses, giving you the difference of a $200 profit per month, also known as positive cash flow. It's like having additional cash in your pocket every single month without having to dedicate any more time to earning it. Depending on your investment needs, if you prefer to receive a higher cash flow, then typically investing in properties that are riskier investments due to the location or other factors are worth looking into. Unless your investment strategy is short-term or you're in need of more income right now, don't focus too much on receiving high amounts of cash flow from your property. For long-term wealth building, appreciation is much more important than cash flow in the long run. That's why cash flow is number 3 on our list and appreciation is number 1. Don't make the mistake of purchasing a property that's cash flowing too little, because any extended amount of vacancy in your property or decrease in rent amounts can generate monthly losses and put you in the red. My number 1 rule when investing is not to lose money. So I stick to the rule that not investing is always better than buying a possibly bad investment. It's a lot better to be patient. Keep your money safe, keep learning, and a good deal will come. To help you analyze your own properties, you'll find a link to an Excel sheet that you can download for free along with other helpful resources in the description below. Cash flow is more than just extra money. It's a pathway to financial freedom and growing your wealth. Thank you for watching. To learn more about other benefits of real estate investing and financial freedom, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out my next video.